This is a presentation on how to get live editing from Madoko, which is an advanced markdown for academic publication or web publication or presentation. It can build complex documents with a simple syntax. Madoko is distributed via Node, and Node comes with a program called the Node Package Manager. So for installing Madoko, we just do that npm install madoko -g, so that's a distribution that works. And once we have done that, we can go into the document folder where we have some Madoko document. And if we issue this command, it will compile the Madoko document. So depending on your OS, you might have some warning and problem with DVI SVGM. I had with TechLive. DVI SVGM is wrong with both 2015, 2016, and maybe some future TechLive. But that's fine. Madoko works around that and renders images in a different way. So once we have done that, we can actually see the result of our Madoko document, which is here. What's interesting though is to have live editing. So in order to do that, I installed a program called Steel Overseer, which monitors the files. It monitors the following files, and every time this changes, it issues the compilation command, which we have just done. Now live reload.js is a script that will require the module live reload and create a server and notify the clients who connected to the server of any change that might happen in this directory. So JavaScript says, whenever you load this page, try to connect to the server. So if we launch the server now, and if we reload the page, it will have downloaded the JavaScript, and now we can launch Steel Overseer using SOS command. And now when we edit, it should recompile and refresh the browser. And the nice thing about this is that anything can be recompiled, including this commutative diagram environment package for TXZ. And indeed, it has changed this arrow. So that's great if you want a local workflow like I wanted in Emacs, which I'm used to. But there's an even greater thing is this online editor that Madoko has, and that lets you target directly GitHub. So this is a project I'm talking about. I'm editing it, locally here, and then it's on GitHub here. But using the online editor, I can say open that file on GitHub. Open, and you can see it's me, GitHub, enroll, and blah blah blah. And so every 30 seconds or so, it gets synchronized, and you can see that I can add things. Whoops, sorry. And we can force synchronization, and then it actually asks for a commit. Poof poof, and here it is. We've committed, and if we check how many commits there was, we can see there was just a new commit now. And so that's really great when you don't want to have a local install, and plus you have those wonderful feature that you synchronize the editing with the view, and if you go down the document, it goes down the view. That's just wonderful. And look at this rendering; it's absolutely amazing.